is the importance of computer maintenance? The importance of computer maintenance is to keep your computer running smoothly. A computer who is left untreated can accumulate dust and debris, which can result into a slow performance of your device. So your computer might get virus too or malware if your antivirus application is not updated. The second question is how check disk utility works. So the primary function of this is to scan the file system on a disk and check the integrity of the file system, including the file system metadata, and fix any logical file system error. The third question is what is the function of defragmentation utility? So defragmentation, or known as defrag, is reducing data access time and allows storage to be used more efficiently. So some operating systems automatically defragment storage periodically. Others requires that the user occasionally use a special utility for this purpose. So the fourth question is what is antivirus software? So antivirus is very familiar to everyone, especially to those who are studying computers. So antivirus software is a program or set of programs that are designed to prevent, search for, detect, and remove software viruses and other malicious software like worms, trojans, adwares, and more viruses in your devices. And for the last question is it really important to have antivirus software installed in your computer? Why? Explain your answer briefly. So, yes, for me, antivirus is really important because it helps your computer maintain a good performance every time you use it. When your computer has no antivirus, there's a tendency that it will get hung or sometimes it will not respond quickly. When I was using my laptop without the antivirus, I observed that sometimes it is quickly responding, but there's a time that it is getting slow, especially when I'm inserting a flash drive that there's no antivirus, or sometimes unknown flash drives that I don't know if there's a virus